Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a social media image with an AI for your social media, your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, your LinkedIn. I've created numerous images that I'm going to be showing you in this particular tutorial. So let me show you more of it before we proceed in this tutorial. I created more this morning. I created for my YouTube. I created for YouTube. Let me preview this one. I create for YouTube, I create for TikTok, I create for LinkedIn, and this is what I'm going to be showing you guys. Within the course of minutes, you can generate these amazing images. I love this image. They are 3D images and it's very, very beautiful. So you can see it now. It will be showing your brand name. It will be showing your brand name either on Facebook, either on WhatsApp, TikTok, any channel that you are using. I created numerous of it. So before we dive into the story, you guys should subscribe to my channel and like this video, and make sure you give it a thumb up and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I created a new video, you guys will be hit by YouTube and you will get in touch immediately. And immediately you give this video a like button and you share it. Other people like you that may also need this video, YouTube will also notify them and promote this video to other people like you. So what we are going to use today is called Bing Image Creator. If you are using laptop, this Bing Creator is owned by Microsoft Word, and the browser that I'm using for this thing is Microsoft Edge, which come with Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 8. I think it also work on Windows 7, but I'm not using Windows 7. It has been long that I use Windows 7, but I'm very sure that it's work on Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. So now, once you get to your Microsoft Edge browser, you open and search for Bing Image Creator. I will search for it. Once I search for it, you load it out. You click on the first one that first come up. If you are using your iPhone or Android, you search for Bing Image Creator, Bing Chat AI. This is the app. You download it and sign up and come along with us. So now this is the channel. This is where we are coming. This is where we are coming. We are going to be dropping a prompt. You can generate a prompt with ChatGPT and it will give you the images here. So now let me give you the prompt to generate an image, social media image for Twitter, for instance. Now I have a pop-up already. Let me copy from my WhatsApp. I'm going to be dropping this thing on the video description. So now I have it now. What I'm going to do, I will change the social media name. You can see my name there, Gifted Computer Technology. I'm going to change the social media image to Twitter. Let me change this one to Twitter. This is Instagram. Let me change it to Twitter. Let's go to the next one. You check everything because I place it in the two places. So now change it to Twitter. Then after that, you just click on create. Within a couple of minutes, this Bing AI is going to create this amazing image for you. So let's check it out now. Let's check it out now. So just wait for like 3 seconds and you will see it. Wow, this is the amazing image that was created for us now. We can see it now. Wow, I love this image. You can see the Twitter, Gifted Computer Technology. You can see it now. You can see it now. I love these 3D character images. So this is the image that we just generated now, and you can click on download button here. You download your image to your PC or to your phone. If you are using your phone, you see a three dot at the edge of the right top, you download the picture. So you can see the content that we use now. So now, I also have more images that I did with this AI. I did more image. I did for LinkedIn. Let me open it. I did for LinkedIn. I did for all my social media. You can also use this picture as a wall cover of as a cover picture of your social media account. So I did for YouTube, I did for TikTok. Let me take you around. So if you are using laptop, this corner you see recent. This is where you can see your images. So I did for my YouTube, but I've not uploaded it on YouTube. You can see it now. You can see it. You can see it. So these are the images. These things are real, and this thing is very amazing. It's beautiful. I love them. I love all these pictures. You can see the one I did for WhatsApp. So now I am going to drop this description on how you can generate this prompt. I'm also going to drop some prompt on the description of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Now, for instance, maybe you don't want to create a social media image and you want to create another thing. How do you get it? Let's go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT, for instance. Let me click on ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT, or you can use Bard. Google Bard. This is Bard. I can still use Bard. It depends on what you want to use to generate a prompt. So just wait for a couple of minutes for ChatGPT to load. Now, okay, let me say write a prompt. Write a prompt to generate image of a mother cooking in the kitchen. Okay, cooking rice, or a mother serving rice, serving food in the dining table. I want the prompt to look more realistic. So this ChatGPT will generate the AI for you. Now this is the content. This content is long. Make it shorter in, let me say, 50 words. So this thing is, if the thing is long, you are not going to get results. So now let me copy this thing. Let's go back to our Bing. Just paste your content here. Does it carry everything? Let me check. Together is the last word. Okay, collect everything. Now we are going to do what? We are going to click on enter now to generate this thing, and let's see. Wonderful. So that I want to show you that you can generate more than social media image. You can generate any other images on this Bing AI. That is why I went ahead to generate a prompt, and let's see the results that this AI is going to give us. Wow, we can see this amazing image that was just generated for us, and you can use this image on your social media. If you have a blog, you can use it there. Anywhere you can use it. Google will take it. This is the original image. This is for you. You didn't copy it anywhere. So you can generate a prompt with ChatGPT and use it here. For free. So this is how to create images. And wonderful thing about this AI is that this image will be stored for 90 days on this particular AI chat profile. So you can see I still generated more images. You can see it now. I generated these images myself. You can put any prompt on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT, once you give a result, you copy it and put it here. I generate many images apart even from social media, and I've been using them. You can see it now. I generated this one. You can see that this is a guy in the hospital. They were praying for him. The image of a Christian praying for a sick woman. You can see it now. I generated this one on this particular AI too. There are many images I've generated on this AI. So you guys try it out. This is one of the images I generated yesterday. You can see it now. So you guys try it out. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video to your loved one, and let us give this video a thumb up and drop your comment in the comment section, so that you can get more updates next time when I upload a new video. Try it out now and get back to me. I want to see your picture.